The present value function. This present value function allows you to calculate what is the value of an amount in today's currency should you receive it in a few years' time. For example, like an endowment policy. So let's go and work out a present value for R1,000,000 over 360 months. So we're going to look for our formula. And we're looking for the rate, and we've already taken the 10% and calculated it to make it monthly. The number of payments would be 360. We're actually making no payments, put a minus in there. The future value is the R1,000,000, and we're not doing any other mathematical changes here. And it's already telling you that R1,000,000 will be worth 50,490 Rand today.